Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a practical guide for you, especially if you're new to the United States or just looking to get your very own debit card. We're going to show you how to apply for a debit card in the USA, step by step. So, whether you're an international student, a recent immigrant, or a local looking for a new bank account, this video is for you. Before we dive into the application process, there are a few things you'll want to prepare to make this process smooth and efficient. 1. Gather required documents. First, you'll need some essential documents, which typically include your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or a lease agreement. 1. Additionally, some banks may require your Social Security number, SSN, or an individual taxpayer identification number, ITIN, so make sure you have these ready. Choosing a bank host. The next step is to choose a bank. In the USA, there are numerous banks to choose from, both large national banks and smaller regional ones. Your choice may depend on factors like proximity, fees, and services offered. It's essential to do your research and find the bank that best suits your needs. In-person or online application. Now, you can either apply for a debit card in person by visiting a local bank branch or do it online, which is often more convenient. Many banks have user-friendly websites and mobile apps for online applications. Online application process. If you decide to apply online, let me walk you through the general steps you'll encounter. Go to the bank's website host, VoiceOver. Start by visiting the bank's official website. You can find this through a quick Google search or by using the bank's name. Once you're on their website, navigate to the Open an Account or Apply for a Debit Card section. Create an account host. You'll need to create an account on the bank's website or app. This usually involves providing your name, contact information, and creating a secure password. Complete the application host. Next, you'll need to complete the application form. This will include personal information, such as your name, date of birth, social security number or ITIN, and contact details. Make sure to double-check all the information for accuracy. Choose the right debit card host. Most banks offer various types of debit cards, each with different features. Select the one that suits your needs, whether it's a basic debit card, a rewards card, or one with specific benefits. Review and submit host. Before submitting your application, take a moment to review all the information you've provided. Once you're confident that everything is correct, go ahead and submit the application. In-person application process. If you prefer applying in person, here's what you can expect. Visit the bank host. Find a local branch of the bank you've chosen. It's a good idea to call ahead and set up an appointment if the bank requires it. Bring your documents when you visit the bank. Be sure to bring all the necessary documents we mentioned earlier, including your ID and proof of address. Speak with a bank representative host. Once at the bank, you'll meet with a bank representative who will guide you through the application process, help you choose the right debit card, and answer any questions you may have. Finalizing the process. Whether you applied online or in person, there might be a waiting period for your application to be processed. This could take a few days to a couple of weeks, depending on the bank. Once approved, the bank will mail your debit card to your registered address. After receiving your card, don't forget to activate it by following the provided instructions. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a debit card in the USA. It's a relatively straightforward process, but remember, the specific requirements and details may vary from one bank to another, so be sure to check with your chosen bank for any unique procedures. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips and information. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on your channel.